What is Canva and how does it work? Is it a tool for graphic designers or can anybody use it? If you've been asking yourself these questions, well, this video is for you. I'll give answers to questions like what Canva is, how it works, and the ways you can use it to create a wide range of designs for your business. Let's dive in with a simple overview of the app. Canva is an app that lets you design professional visual materials without needing much in the way of graphic design skills. The tool can be used to create social media posts, videos, presentations, slides, posters, art, drawings, and many other visual assets. And a wide range of customizable templates, royalty-free images, and AI features is provided to help you do this easily. Unlike traditional graphic design tools like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, Canva's learning curve is extremely gentle. And although its feature set is more basic than these sorts of pro solutions, its pricing is lower than them too. You can get going with the platform from just $6.49 per month. In fact, there is an entirely free version of Canva available that you can use. The core aim of Canva is to make professional graphic design easy and affordable for everyone. And judging by its growing user base size, it seems to be meeting that goal. But how does Canva work? Canva can be used via a web browser, a mobile app, or a desktop app. It gives you 4 key things to help you create your designs. First, there's templates. These are pre-designed layouts that you can use for a wide range of designs. For example, social media posts, presentations, or banner ads. Then there is elements. These are royalty-free photos, videos, and graphics that you can add to your Canva templates. Next, there's Canva Magic Studio. AI-powered design tools, these let you easily generate new content for your projects or edit your existing designs in novel ways. And finally, there is a drag and drop editor that lets you move elements easily around a template. Additionally, Canva provides lots of control for editing the typefaces and colors used on a template. And it also lets you create custom templates. The idea is that you simply pick a template, drop some content into it, make a few tweaks, and then export your design to use online or as a printed item. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of using Canva as a graphic design tool. Stock photos, videos, and audio. One of the best things about Canva is the extensive range of royalty-free photos, videos, and audio files. The platform gives you millions of free multimedia items to use in your designs. And when you consider that the cost of just one photo from a stock photography site, it can actually be higher than an annual subscription fee to Canva. Next, its wide range of templates. Canva gives you access to over 600,000 pre-designed templates that are extremely varied and professional in appearance. These let you kickstart a design project quickly and easily. The Magic Switch tool. Canva's Magic Switch tools lets you repurpose existing designs for different platforms with a click of a button. With this feature, you simply open a project, select what format, size you'd like to change it to, and Canva will do the rest automatically for you. Additionally, Magic Switch lets you repurpose your designs by translating them into different languages, and you can also use it to transform an image design into a document, blog post, email, or even a song. The video editor. A lot of people think that Canva only works with static images. However, it's actually got a pretty handy built-in video editor too. Now, while this isn't going to compete with Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro anytime soon, it nonetheless gives you a great way to create and share simple video content without leaving the Canva environment. And a wide range of formats is catered for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. This whole process is made even easier thanks to the fact that you can drag and drop clips from a huge range of stock videos into your project. Background removal tools. Canva's photo editor gives you a simple but really effective tool for stripping out the backgrounds of images and videos. This makes it a breeze to create headshot images, corporate videos, and YouTube thumbnails. Next, its Brand Kit feature. Canva gives you a Brand Kit feature that lets you add your brand logo, fonts, colors, photos, and graphics to the platform. Once you've done that, it's really easy to ensure that anything you create with Canva remains 100% on brand. Okay, so those are some of my favorite features of Canva. However, it's important to be aware of some of the downsides to the tool too. Let's go through these now. Export options are limited. Unlike most desktop design tools, the output formats for Canva are fairly limited. This can make it hard to start a project in Canva and hand it over to a professional designer for enhancements. For example, video export options are very limited. You can only output a video in MP4 format, which won't be great for anyone who needs a high-res video. You can't back up your Canva projects. There is no way to back up your projects in Canva. So if you accidentally delete a design or lose access to your Canva account, you may be in trouble. There is no phone support. If you are someone who likes to get immediate support by talking to a human being via phone or a live chat, you should know that only email support is provided for Canva. That said, the product is very easy to use and a wide range of online help materials is available to help you if you get stuck. Canva doesn't work offline. Because Canva uses cloud storage to store its assets and your projects, you need an internet connection to use it. Even if you've installed the desktop app, so if you find yourself without a Wi-Fi, you won't be able to work or export any of your designs. So that's my take on the key pros and cons of Canva. Now let's take a look at how much Canva costs to use and how to get a free trial of the platform. Canva pricing. There are 3 versions of Canva available: Canva Free, Canva Pro, Canva for Teams. Canva Free is entirely free. It doesn't give you access to some key features, including the option to define brand rules, the background removal tool, and the magic resize tool. And the options for exporting your designs are more limited. But still, it gives you a lot of functionality and you get access to a lot of royalty-free images on the plan. The next plan to consider is Canva Pro. This will cost you $6.49 per month and is aimed at single user. It provides access to all the platform's stock images, videos, and audios, and the vast majority of the features. Finally, there is Canva for Teams. This unlocks a wide range of team collaboration features and lets you define staff roles and user permissions. So if you need to let multiple people contribute to your designs, this is the version for you. This plan starts out at $12.99 for up to 5 Canva users. Higher costs apply once you exceed this number of seats. And that's it, my introduction to Canva. If you'd like to try the platform out, visit canva.com. And finally, if you have any queries about Canva, do feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns.